Earth is a beautiful planet. We live in a noisy world, don't you agree? There's some noise when we are just trying to study, but we just can't seem to concentrate. When we are pushing our limits to achieve our goal, working late till midnight. When we want to shop in peace, but the vehicles are too loud to have a peaceful shopping experience. We can't fix the cause, but we can reduce the effect. Well then, my friends, welcome to Serenova, where you get uninterrupted nature sounds. No music, no instruments. Just many nature sounds. Waterfall, rain, fire sound to help you relax. Birds chirping, forest sounds in general, and much more. An unbothered calm time designed just for your relaxation. Serenova, it's me time.